Asus TUF Gaming A15. Unity System Solutions. Outlast the competition. Asus TUF Gaming A15. Geared for serious gaming and real-world durability, the TUF Gaming A15 is a fully loaded Windows 11 home gaming laptop that can carry you to victory. Powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 7-7435HS processor, 3.1 GHz and up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, action-packed gameplay is fast, fluid, and fully saturates speedy IPS-level displays up to 144 Hz. Even while boasting a smaller and more portable chassis than its predecessors, this gaming laptop also features a larger 48 Wh battery for superior battery life. Efficient self-cleaning cooling combines with TUF's signature military-grade durability to make this battle-tested road warrior a reliable ally for gamers on the go. Processor: AMD Ryzen 7-7435HS mobile processor, 3.1 GHz, 20 MB cache, up to 4.55 GHz, 8 cores, 16 threads. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. Memory: 16 GB DDR5 5600. Storage: 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. Power supply: 180 watt AC adapter. Display: 15.6-inch, FHD, 1920 by 1080, 16:9, value IPS level, anti-glare display, sRGB, 62.5%, Adobe, 47.34%, refresh rate, 144 Hz, adaptive sync, discrete. Input, output, comprehensive connectivity. Lots of I/O ports let you connect your favorite devices and start working anywhere. 2 USB 3.2 Type A ports allow for speedy data transfers, with an additional USB 3.2 Type A port that makes 3 total inputs for preferred peripherals. Use the USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort 1.4 to hook up a super-fast G-Sync display for silky smooth gaming. Keyboard, optimized for gaming. Arm yourself with a desktop-style keyboard optimized for gaming. Uniform RGB backlighting lets you express your own unique style, while highlighted WASD accents give you a visual shortcut to key movement commands. Overstroke technology triggers higher in each keystroke for faster responsiveness and effortless control. In true TUF form, each key is durable enough to withstand over 20 million presses for superb long-term reliability and precision. RGB backlight, 20 million key presses. Overstroke technology. No matter where life takes you, keep a reliable ally at your side. Lightweight, portable, and long-lasting, this laptop lets you stay connected to the world, untethered from the wall. Its power-efficient AMD Ryzen processor and formidable 48 Wh battery combine to offer up to 14.5 hours of video playback, so you can watch more on the move. Fast and reliable Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, ensures that you'll be able to connect to the web and be productive wherever compatible connections are available. Battery life may vary based on system configuration. Fast charging technology is tested while the device is powered off with the default adapter included with the device. Charging time may vary plus or minus 10% due to system tolerance. 48 Wh battery. Up to 13.5 hours web browsing. Up to 14.5 hours video playback. Exclusive software, unified system tuning and personalization. Armoury Crate unifies system and lighting controls to put essential settings at your fingertips in a single utility. Its extensive customization options let you personalize aesthetic effects, fine-tune game profiles, and adjust audio settings to fit your preferences. With scenario profiles, you can define and custom preferences that automatically adjust performance and other settings when you launch your favorite apps and games. Take complete control of your experience and make it fully your own. Thermal, lasting cool. Comprehensive cooling sustains long-term system reliability and extends the lifespan of your machine. 4 heat pipes and 3 heat sinks draw heat away from your hardware and dissipates it quickly, keeping component temperatures at optimum levels. A self-cleaning cooling 2.0 design ensures that your cooling system stays debris-free for full functionality for the long haul. Tuned operating modes balance clock speeds and acoustics for the task at hand, customizable to your needs. Self-cleaning cooling 2.0 plus 10% airflow with 8.3B LADE fans, 11% quieter in performance mode. Upgrading your RAM and SSD is simplified with an easy upgrade design that gives you fast access to memory slots and storage bays. With a standard screwdriver, you can easily remove the screws at the bottom of the chassis to make your desired modifications. A special pop-open screw raises one corner of the bottom panel, making it easier to separate. Quickly upgrade or replace your RAM, or increase your super-fast SSD capacity by adding a second PCIe drive.